Sorry guys, oh man, I'm so tired. It is time for breakfast. Yes it is. I'm just gonna have a bagel today. Everything bagel is my favorite bagel, guys, with some cream cheese on there. It is freaking amazing. And then I'm gonna slowly start collecting all the Christmas things and putting them away. Of course, every time I want to film something, there's always got to be interruptions. Thanks, Junior. I love him, but okay. So let me eat this thingamajigger breakfast, and then I'll check in with you guys.
So, if you know me, then you know that I love waffles, especially those big fluffy waffles. And I got another kind. This is cinnamon and I think brown sugar kind. Really good, but it's from a different store this time. It's not from Walmart. It's from a different. It's like our local grocery store, but I can show you the box of it. It's a common box. I think it's. I won't even say what it is, but it's common because I don't want to get the name wrong without showing you first. But guys, this is good. I just have syrup in there and it's freaking delicious. Love it.
So I want to show you some things that arrived in the mail for me from Amazon. I've got 3 things and I'm going to show you really quick what they are and what I got them. One of them is actually for the new year, so I'm going to show you. Over here, first of all, I've got some new screen protectors for my iPhone. If you guys know, I have the iPhone 6 Plus. And I think this is the screens that I had last time. It comes with 3 and they're packaged nicely over in these things here. I don't want to mess with them because they're packaged nicely, like I said. And then I'm going to replace my old one with a new one. So there's that. We've also got this thing which is supposed to help for tooth pain. And it's because, like I said, I have a cavity on my tooth and I need to go to, fix it. And I could have gone Wednesday, which is actually today, I think, or was that yesterday? No, today's Wednesday. But I decided not to because I don't have a car to drive, so my next appointment is on the 11th or something like that. So I've got a while till my next appointment, so I decided to order something like this for my tooth just in case it hurts and I can't handle the pain. This is supposed to help. It has a lot of good reviews. Again, all of these are from Amazon if you guys are interested. And if you want, I can link them down below. And then this is just a 14-day cleanse. So I don't have any digestive problems, but I just want to use this because I've also heard that it helps people lose weight. See, dietary supplement. So it helps people lose weight too, and I've read a lot of good reviews for these. So this I'm going to be taking January 1st, starting next year, which is actually I think tomorrow. So that's pretty exciting. Just ordered these 3 things here, which I'm super excited for, especially to replace the temporary or the screen protector on my current screen because it looks cracked and it looks as though my original phone screen is cracked, but it's not. So yeah, and I'm watching a live video from Yaba. And yeah, I guess this is pretty much it. If you guys want any of these linked down below, let me know. So it's time for us to get the Christmas ornaments off the tree. And we still have our tree up. And it's January, so it's time to take it down. But I'm gonna grab some Ziploc bags and put some of the ornaments in there. And then I think the whole box of ornaments that we have, just everything it's supposed to go in, is inside the garage. And it's the weather, guys. It is horrendous. It's freaking pouring. It's crazy weather. It is not pretty at all. But I do have these Ziploc bags things. Let me grab them. 1 second. Oh, I'm so unprepared. Oops. Here they are. See these? These are from Walmart. Fuck my life. I love to drop everything. These are from Walmart. And I got these a long time ago. I have like a whole bunch left over. It comes with like 75 bags. And I'm just gonna put some of the things in here, like the smaller ones, like for example these ones. They can go inside the Ziploc bags because they're like flat and small, and then maybe we could put some of these little ones in those type of baggies as well. So yeah, so these are all the things that were on the Christmas tree pretty much. They've got our pine cones over here that was on there. These little pretty ones were also on there. These in the bag. These ones were on my other Christmas tree, the small green ones, if you remember my room. Those also were in it, and all these were on the Christmas tree. I think those are all of them. I think I got all of them. So this tree is looking pretty bare. So I'm going to put that into the box here. The Christmas tree box that it came with. Oh, okay. I gotta... Oh, pretty easy. Okay. still shove that in here and put it away for this year, and then add it again towards December. Alright, so I just want to quickly show you how these are organized. Put the little owls in this ornament box that they came with. Put some of the Christmas ornaments in Ziploc bags and little baggies here. Excuse me, hiccup, just because I wanted to organize it better. Got a couple more in here, and then some pine cones in this bag here. Other ornaments here. So what I'm going to do is put all of this away, and then also all of that, and see if I can squeeze them all in this bag. Let's see how that goes. Got the Christmas trees folded up and all the ornaments off. I put the ornaments here. In this baggie, I was able to fit all of the small ornaments. Oops, be careful so I don't break them. And then this is some lights my mom got at a thrift store for $1, but it has those garments in here. Remember, with the lights that I had on my bed, like along my bed over here. I've also got this that I need to put away. So I think all my Christmas decorations in my room are gone. I still have this Halloween pumpkin, don't ask why. It's still somewhat, it's still doing pretty good actually, considering how old it is. But I've got that here. This needs to go in the garbage. I'm just getting rid of my Christmas decorations a day or two, maybe 3-4 days early, just because I feel like I just want them out of my room at least. So this is all I pretty much had in my room for Christmas decorations. I think I might put my flashing lights along here just for some pop of color. I think that'll be nice actually along there. Junior's taking a nap. So I have my sign here. I'm gonna take off this lettering. Ignore my whiner in the background. I can take off this lettering and then maybe add some new lettering or just put it away temporarily. We'll see. But I love this thing. It's beautiful. It's just perfect to write things. Just looks amazing. So I'm gonna take this off, and then up here is pretty much empty, and I'm gonna dust off the top. I don't know what I'm gonna put up there. I do have my actual sign over there that usually goes up there, so I'll probably add that, and then we'll see from there. Hey guys, so I want to give like a small mini update on this aquarium. As you can see, it looks a little bit different. I took out most of the rock in here, and I'm letting it air dry because there's a lot of Aptasia on there, and I just wanted to get the Aptasia off the rocks before I add them to my 28 gallon that I got. So I have those ones dried. I left 2 of the rocks in here just to provide some hiding places for the fish and the hermit crabs and the crabs that I have in here. So I think this is a pretty good job. I wonder if my heater is on. Is it not on? I gotta check that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I added the 2 decor pieces here. The tree ones. I kind of like those. They would be kind of cool to attach some type of corals to it. Maybe zoas or something, I don't know. You can see the hermit crabs hanging there. But there's still some Aptasia here. It's so crazy how quickly they just attach themselves to things. Look at this one, attach itself to the rock or whatever, the decor. Can you see that? Seems like they're on the ground now. So I think what I need to do is probably stick my hand in there and try to pick these up or siphon them out. I think would be good with like a turkey baster or something. Yeah, I like emptied half of the water and put new water in and gave this a nice little clean. I'll show you where I put the rocks to dry out. So over here I have the rock drying out because again I want this rock right here. All of this is going to be going into the salt water, so, or the new 28 saltwater aquarium that I have to set up soon. And I just decided to move them here to air dry because again they were covered in Aptasia. It was crazy, guys, crazy, insane. And this is the outdoor weather. It's windy today, not as much rain, but it's been raining non-stop the last few days, guys. It's been really windy lately, which is a little bit crazy. Wow, did this leaf turn like red? It's crazy. Dang. What the fuck? What is that noise? Creepy. Did you guys hear that noise? It sounded like fireworks going off. Hello? Probably my imagination. That was creepy as fuck. You hear it? Maybe it's this thing? Let me see. Okay, I guess that could be making that noise, but I don't know. Let me push this back fully. There you go. Creepy as fuck, y'all. This is creepy. Almost choked on my saliva, sorry. Creepy. Got you and you're here with me. Those are the towels that we used to clean their feet. It's hella scary. You guys heard the noise, right? Maybe it's this. I'm thinking maybe the screen door here. It's never made noise before though, so. And like, I just finished watching a scary, like an episode on YouTube of like the top 20 most scary things caught on camera. And of course, I experienced this shit right after. Let's go inside. This is creepy. I mean, we're already in the house, but let's go inside of this house. Come on, babe. Yeah, no. Fuck that. Part of my French, but nope. My 55 is doing great. I need to get some Epsom salt for that guy. He's been hiding over here along with my angelfish. I need to take him out. I think he would love his own tank. Like, he would love if this was his aquarium. If I'm quite honest, he would love it. But my goal is to, once I move my fish to my 28 gallon, I'm going to be taking this whole filter and moving that over here. I'm going to have to get new sponge filters because those ones have some Aptasia attached to them. Hopefully once I transfer everything here, sorry, my dog is drinking at the same time, of course. Once I transfer everything from this aquarium to my 28 gallon, which I will show you. Thanks, Junior, for deciding to drink the second on here. Gosh, this house is dark as fudge. Okay. There's my cat. And I heard a weird sound here. Like, it sounds like when I was in the living room, it sounded like as if something jumped off. Like my cat usually makes this noise when he jumps off. It sounded like him, but then I looked in the mirror in reflection and just, he wasn't moving at all. He was sleeping. So here is the 20 gallon again. We're going to plug it in and stuff like that. Let's see. Beautiful. I think this looks really, really nice, to be honest. I just don't like the noise it makes. It's kind of noisy. Hi, babe. Hello, handsome. Mama's boy. You're Mama's boys. You're a beautiful boy, and so are you. You are a handsome guy. Yes, you are. So, yeah. As you can see, the outside is kind of gloomy. It is raining. So, I don't know what that creepy noise was. Scary. I was watching that scary episode thing with my mom a little bit, but then she had to leave to go to work, and I just thought I'd finish the episode, and now I'm kind of regretting ever finishing it. This is why I don't like to watch scary stuff by myself, especially like paranormal things or scary things caught on video on YouTube. I don't like to watch anything scary by myself, just because then I start hearing some creepy noises around my house, and I'm just like, okay, it's probably just me imagining shit, but like, it's still scary as hell, so I don't know. Fish are doing great, by the way. The beta's doing great. I did see a buried ghost shrimp in this aquarium, so I don't know if the babies will hatch or if they'll get eaten by the male beta that I have. Oops, down here. It's kind of hard to see. I need to probably move those plants a little bit. But, yeah. The floating plants I probably should move. The fish and everything and plants are doing great. The big bamboo shrimp is doing great. The beta female sorority house is doing great. This is a good size for 4 betas, I think. It's 6 gallons, but I feel like there's enough room in there. Though it would be better for me to get, like, in the future, I think I might go with white sand, I'm not sure. And get some more wood pieces or different type. I want to get maybe spider wood for this aquarium. I don't know. That's my idea for this aquarium. And I did add my mystery snail in here as well. I think she's in the very back somewhere. I can't see for sure. But I have my mystery snail in here as well. You can see how beautiful the betas are. We've got a blue one, a white one, this pinkish, reddish, and then a red one over here. I think there's an upgrade light thing that you can get for this aquarium, which I might do. Or I might just like get like a little smaller light to put over this. I don't know yet. We'll see what we'll do with that. But fish are doing great. So I hope that what I was imagining or hearing was just a screen door making that weird noise. Because if it was anything else, I would be creeped out. I'm gonna leave my curtains wide open. Usually when I sleep, I like to leave my curtains like open like this at night. And like pull back the darker gray ones and then leave the clear ones. As you can see, leave those ones like that. So that way it's not, you can't completely see in, but you can still get enough light. So I'm happy for those white curtains. Hi Ozzy. Hi. I've got a little blanket here because he loves to sit here. He's my beautiful boy. Aren't you beautiful? Hi. My handsome. You're so beautiful. Yes. ASMR. Cat purring. He's so cute. So hopefully again that was just the screen door making noise. Look how beautiful that looks, by the way. Oh, it's just Zeus. Okay, I'm starting to creep myself out. Okay. Here is one more view of the aquarium. I'm so happy to set it up. I might set it up right here. The thing is, if I set it up here, I won't have anywhere to put a nightstand, and I want to have 2 nightstands on the side of my bed. So I don't know. I would love to ideally probably put it over here, or like right over here, but I need this wall to be done, and then I need this wall to be done as well. So I don't know when that's gonna happen, but ideally we still need these 2 walls to be done and this closet to be completely done and remade or whatever, remodeled, I guess. I don't know, redone, I guess. So we're just chilling here. Clifford's here to protect me. Zeus is over there. He might come here. Zeusy boy, you wanna come? Zeusy, come! He's hiding over there. I dropped a little bit of cat food for the crows. They ate most of it, but yeah, they're cute. We've got some on the trees up there. Kind of hard to see, but there's like at least 5 on the trees. Look how cute they are. Just love crows. I especially love crows, considering that I took care of that one crow, and it's kind of sad, but he did have avian pox, he or she, hence why it passed away. I hope to rescue one day, but hopefully it won't pass away like that again, because it's just really sad. But sometimes you can't control Mother Nature, and she does what she wants to do. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video here and chillax with my pets and enjoy the morning. Maybe I'll film a mukbang. I don't know yet. Thinking about maybe filming one, so I guess we'll see.